Good morning everyone. Today I will show how to find out the value of each share using Gordon model. Okay. So how you can find out the value of each share? I will today show you. First we have to write the question. Determine the value of its shares using Gordon's model, assuming the following. First, DP ratio means 1 minus B, that is 100, and retention ratio, that is 0. Okay, first we have to find out DP ratio which you get on formula, and retention ratio is 0. First important thing, we have to write the formula, but some informations are there in questions also. Rate of return on investment are equal to 15%. Cost of capital equal to K, 12%, and earning per share E equal to rupees 10. Okay, now we have to write formula. First, SOLU solution. First we have to write the formula. P equal to E bracket 1 minus B K E minus BR. Okay, first we have to put all the numbers according to formula. First, what we have get, cost of capital. Cost of capital was 12% and earning per share rupees 10. First we have to find out in question earning per share E, which was 10, and 1 minus B 1 minus B, what is 0. In questions it was given. Then we have to write KE means cost of capital, which is 12%. तो इधर देखो 12% दिया है, तो इसको 12% को हम लोग हटा देंगे. तो क्या करना पड़ेगा, क्या होगा, 0.12 माइनस बी कितना है, 0 है, और आर कितना दिया है 15%, तो परसेंट को हटाना पड़ेगा 0.15. ओके, देन ये क्या हो जाएगा, 10 होगा, क्योंकि -1 माइनस 0 0. देन सर निकलेगा तुम्हारा 0.12. ठीक है. देन वी हैव टू राइट रुपीज़, ये डिवाइड करने से क्या होगा 83.33. ओके.